Welcome to the rise of the one-person AI media studio. You no longer need a Hollywood budget. The studio is now on your laptop. The core transformation involves AI removing technical barriers. Traditional crews require huge budgets, but now one person can create cinematic media. The creator writes an email, and the AI builds a video. Comparing a traditional studio to an AI studio shows massive drops in cost and time. Costs drop by 80%, and content that took weeks now takes a single afternoon. You replace dozens of experts with one creator and heavy cameras with text prompts. Great video requires great audio, which you can now get without a microphone. ElevenLabs creates human speech and conveys subtle emotions by analyzing human speech patterns. The mechanics of voice cloning start with a short audio input to create a digital twin. This allows you to generate narration from a typed script, fix mistakes by typing a correction, and instantly translate your voice globally. Text-to-video generation is another major advancement. You type a descriptive prompt, and the AI predicts the pixels to create a video. Visualizing use cases shows the AI's power in B-roll generation, concept visualization for mood boards, and visual effects, VFX, like removing backgrounds and changing lighting. Now you can edit video like a Word document. Traditional editing uses complex timelines, but Descript pioneers text-based editing. The AI transcribes the video, and you edit the text. The transcript mechanics allow you to delete a sentence to cut the video, remove filler words like "and" with one click, or type a correction to overdub audio instantly. The closed-loop studio workflow combines voice generation with ElevenLabs, vision prompting for video with Runway, and assembly editing with Descript. These tools work together seamlessly. The economic impact is significant. Production costs drop by 80%, allowing small businesses to compete with corporations. Speed to market increases dramatically. A 2-week ad now takes one afternoon. Enjoy instant global accessibility. Write a script in simple English, and the AI translates the script and dubs the voice, instantly reaching a global audience. Regarding ethics and authenticity, creators should use watermarks. The AI handles technical tasks, freeing up humans to focus on the emotional story. Welcome to the creative director era. Your role evolves as you leave complex software behind. You guide the AI, transitioning from a technical expert to the creative director. Start your studio today by following these 4 steps. Write a 3-sentence script, generate audio in ElevenLabs, generate video in Runway, and finish your media in 5 minutes.